Okay, good morning everyone. So today we will continue with the topic formatting text. Formatting means making changes to the text or document to make it more attractive and beautiful. Okay, once you are done with the typing work, now if you want that your typed text looks to be look more attractive and beautiful, so what will you do? You will format your text. In that, you will either change the font size, font color, bold your content or italicize it. Okay, so these all these features comes under the category of formatting. You can format the text by modifying the font size and color. We can format our text by modifying. Modifying means to make changes. And what is font? The style in which we type the text is that is known as your font. So you can change your font. You can change the size of the font, the case the what do you call it, the length of your letters. ठीक है, द कितने आपकी जो बड़े letters आपके कितने बड़े दिखेंगे, कितने small दिखेंगे, that also you can change. And the color, suppose that if I want my document to be typed in blue color, in red color, so all the changes we can do under the formatting of text. We can make our text bold. Bold means to highlight it, to make it certainly dark. To italicize करने का मतलब in your primary classes you must have written the English alphabet in slant way. That is known as italic way of writing. So we can change our content into italic also. We can underline certain specific words which we want to highlight, and we change the alignment of the text. Now what is the meaning of alignment? Okay, the alignment means the place from which where you start writing your text. Either it is from the left hand side of the page, or it is from the right hand side of the page, or if you want your content to be right in the middle of the page, that is known as the alignment. We can format our document mainly by using font group and paragraph group in the home tab. And from the home tab we will choose the option of font, changing the text, and the font group. All those options are there in the home tab. In front of you, you can see the picture in which it has categorically all the font features are categorically written in front of you. So we'll take up each feature one by one. The first is the font button. This button is used for changing the type of the font in the text. जिस फॉर्मेट में आप अपना टेक्स्ट चाहते हो, उस फॉन्ट में आप अपना यहाँ से चूज़ कर सकते हो योर डिज़ायर्ड टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम द फॉन्ट बटन. एज सुन एज यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस फॉन्ट बटन, अ ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू विल अपेयर, जहाँ पे अलग अलग फॉन्ट स्टाइल्स दिए होंगे. जैसे कैलिब्री इज़ अ स्टाइल, टाइम्स न्यू रोमन इज़ अ स्टाइल, एरियल इज़ अ स्टाइल. All and many more styles are mentioned in that drop down menu. From there you can choose your desirable font style. Now next is font size. This button is used for changing the size of the text. जो आप टेक्स्ट लिख रहे हो उसका साइज चेंज करने में हेल्प करता है. इधर यू वांट to be written in bigger size, or you want to be written in the smaller size. From there you can choose the font size. Font size is normally 11 in the box. By default it is 11 in the box. Click on the font size button. Size from 8 to 72 is displayed. ठीक है, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको कंप्यूटर कितने साइज़ के फॉन्ट ऑफर करता है. तो मिनिमम साइज इज़ 8 एंड मैक्सिमम साइज इज़ 72. सो यू शुड कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड कि मिनिमम साइज इज़ 8 एंड मैक्सिमम साइज इज़ 72. And in between these two range you can choose your desirable font size. For that you have to just click over the mouse, click over the number of size which you want to choose, and then you will जो size आपने choose किया, it will be through your typed document. Next is bold button. Use this button if you want to make text bold. अगर हम अपने text को we wanted to be written in bold letters, in highlighted letters, then we can choose this option. And there is a shortcut for key for that is your control plus B. CTRL, that is control plus B. So simultaneously एक साथ you have to press these two key from the keyboard. First finger you will keep on your control button, and the other finger you will keep on the B button. B is the alphabetical key which is there on the keyboard. तो simultaneously एक साथ आप इन दोनों बटन को प्रेस करोगे, then your selected content will be appeared in bold letters. Okay. Now next is italic button. इटैलिक बटन इज यूज टू चेंज द टेक्स्ट टू इटैलिक फॉर्म, इटैलिक फॉर्म में चेंज करने के काम आता है. कंट्रोल प्लस आई कैन बी यूज फॉर दिस पर्पस. एंड व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की? कंट्रोल प्लस आई इज द शॉर्टकट की फॉर इटैलिक बटन. तो अगेन at the same time you have to press the control key from the keyboard plus I, that is your alphabetical key from the keyboard simultaneously. उसको आप press करोगे तो जो आपका selected content है that will be italicized. Now next is underline button. For example in the text which you have typed on the MS Word, उसमें से कुछ important words हैं. For example, if we are writing the definitions, so we want the certain words in the definition to be highlighted, underlined. तो we'll select the word which we want to underline. उसके बाद we'll click on U, the icon for that is U. उसको उस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो जो हमने select किया है word that will be underlined. And the shortcut for key for this function is Control plus U. Now next is align left. This button is used to align the text to left hand side. Control L can be pressed for the left alignment of the text. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट माई पेज एकदम फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द पेज. सो आई मूव द कर्सर टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और सिंपली आई प्रेस कंट्रोल एल फ्रॉम माई कीबोर्ड. तो एज सुन एज आई विल प्रेस द कंट्रोल एल बटन फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड, जो मेरा अलाइनमेंट है दैट विल बी शिफ्टेड टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द पेपर. नाउ कंट्रोल सेंटर. Control center, click on this button to align the text at the center. If I want to start my paragraph from middle of the page, then I will press this Control E button. Although the shortcut key is not mentioned in the book, but to align the alignment for the center is your Control E. ठीक है. In your book you have seen that certain headings are written in the middle of the page. So this function Control E, that is your center alignment, is useful there. जब हमें अपना बीच में पेज के right in the middle of the page, if you want certain headings to be written, at that point we press the Control E key button from the keyboard. उसके बाद जो हमारा cursor है it goes up to the middle of the page. From there we can type the content. Okay. Now alignment to the right hand side. This is again, if I want my paragraph to be aligned towards the right hand side of the paper, तो I will press Control R key from the keyboard और उसके बाद हमारा जो alignment है it will move towards the right hand side of the page. Now justify button. Click on this button to align the text both at left and right margin. Control J can be used to justify the alignment. Okay, this justify button is useful where, as you can see in your book, ठीक है, जितनी भी स्पेसिंग है फ्रॉम द राइट हैंड साइड टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ऑल दैट इज़ इक्वल. ठीक है. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कोई प्रिंट आउट ऐसा देखते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ जो राइट हैंड साइड पे जो स्पेस है और जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे स्पेस है दे आर अनइक्वल. तो द मॉड्यूल ऑफ योर पेज, द ओवरऑल लुक ऑफ योर पेज डज नॉट लुक नाइस. सो टू अवॉइड दैट वी हैव टू जस्टिफाई आर पेज. जस्टिफाई करने का मतलब ऑल जितने भी साइड से मार्जिन है दे शुड बी ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ. The margin which is left on the left hand side of the paper and the margin which is there on the right hand side of the paper should be of equal length. So this is known as justifying the content. Okay, for that you have to press Control J. Then there is numbering button. It is used to add numbers in front of the line in your text. Suppose I want to write certain points. ठीक है, point number 1 is this, point number 2 is this. For that I will use this numbering button. Okay. Then there is bullet button. If I don't want the numbers to be written on the page, I just want another symbol for that. Bullet is what? Bullet is nothing but a small black dot. ठीक है, a small black dot is known as bullet. If I don't want the numbering on my page, I will simply choose this option from the file font tab, file home tab, जिसमें एज सुन एज आई विल चूज़ दिस बुलेट बटन, जो हमारी नंबरिंग है वो 1 2 3 के फॉर्म में नहीं आएगी, रादर इट विल बी शोन अप एज ब्लैक डॉट्स. ठीक है, ब्लैक बोल्ड डॉट्स आर नोन एज बुलेट्स. तो हमारी जो नंबरिंग होगी वो बुलेट्स फॉर्म में होगी. देन यू हैव हाईलाइटिंग कलर. हाईलाइटिंग कलर क्लिक ऑन दिस बटन टू हाईलाइट एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पोर्शन ऑफ द टेक्स्ट इन द डॉक्यूमेंट. किसी टेक्स्ट को हाईलाइट करने के लिए, सपोज इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग एनी इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट पोल्यूशन के बारे में आप कुछ लिख रहे हो, अपना टाइप कर रहे हो, देन यू हैव टू हाईलाइट द वर्ड पोल्यूशन एवरीवेयर यू हैव यूज द वर्ड. तो यू विल हाईलाइट दैट वर्ड कि आपकी जो पूरा टेक्स्ट है उसमें वो वर्ड आपको अलग से इंपॉर्टेंट दिखाई दे, तो दैट इज़ नोन एज हाईलाइटिंग. Then the font color, the color in which you are writing the text, that is known as the font color. You can also change the font color according to your choice. Then the border. Border is the margin which we draw across the page, along the page, on all sides the border is drawn. That also we can choose. Click on this button to draw a border on a selected portion of the text or the entire page. This bordering can be done to a specific text, or it can be done throughout the entire page of your document. Then changing case. Changing case we have already discussed. The lower case is known as the alphabets in small letters. The upper case is known as the alphabets in the capital letters. In computer, lower case means writing the English alphabet letters in small letters, and in upper case means writing the alphabets in capital letters. So this is the lower case and upper case. That also we can choose. Click on this button to change the case of the selected text. हमने जो भी text लिखा है, if you want certain text to be highlighted, जैसे for example I am writing about the nouns, so we have I want to write the nouns in upper case. ठीक है, कैपिटल लेटर में आई वॉन्ट द प्रॉपर नाउन्स टू बी रिटन, तो आई विल चूज दिस ऑप्शन टू राइट. दिस ऑप्शन विल चेंज द नाउन्स wherever there are in the text in the capital case. That is in capital case means your upper case. Now that indent, click on this button to give a gap at the left or right margin for lines or paragraph. Okay, what is indent? In your book you must have seen कि paragraph जब भी हम start करते हैं, whenever we start a new paragraph we leave certain space. ठीक है, one or two words की space is left before we start the paragraph. So that space is known as indent. That also we can choose from this home tab if we are writing the text in paragraph. Then last is line spacing. The line spacing is what? Line spacing is the space between the lines. We can choose the space between the line according to our choice. There are certain widths which are mentioned in the home tab. उसमें से आप जितनी भी अपनी लाइन की स्पेसिंग चाहते हैं, you can choose it from there. This option is also provided to us by MS Word. So these are the basic features which are required by us for formatting of the text. Formatting is done just to make our document more attractive, more beautiful, more modified. ठीक है, the presentation is all what is important. ठीक है, तो that is done by this formatting tools. Okay, तो this was all for this class. इसके बाद का will continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.